Are you wondering which is the oldest iPhone that still supports the newest iOS 27? So the oldest iPhone that still supports this would be the iPhone 11 and anything newer. For example, I have a full list here of all the phone models that still support the iOS 27. So all the versions of iPhone 11, also the iPhone SE second generation as well gets this newest software. All the iPhone 12s, 13s, 14s, 15s, 16s, 17s, also iPhone E, iPhone Air, so all the SE versions, newer than the iPhone, basically SE second generation, all support that. So I suppose first iPhone that doesn't support it anymore would be the iPhone XS, so like the 10s. So that's probably the newest iPhone that's basically is missing out from this new software. Okay, back.